Tycoon, what if I told you the secret to building billions isn't what you think? It's not profit margins. It's not marketing. It's a principle buried deep within Islamic tradition, forgotten for centuries, now waiting for you to reclaim it. Tycoon, look at IKEA. 60 countries, $50 billion a year. But its founder lived in a modest house. Drove an old Volvo. Why? Because he mastered Zuhd, detachment from materialism, not from opportunity. His real secret? Serving people at scale, not for the wealthy, for the masses. Flat pack furniture, self-service warehouses, all designed around one hadith. The best of people are those who are most beneficial to others. Tycoon, hear this clearly. Wealth is not a trophy. It is a trust. You don't chase money, you chase value. Benefit millions, make millions. It's mathematical, it's prophetic, it's inevitable. Tycoon, your roadmap is simple. 1. Define your niyyah, serve, don't sell. 2. Build systems that scale benefit, not just profit. 3. Embrace Zuhd, live with purpose, not extravagance. Tycoon, the choice is yours. Will you build another business? Or will you build a legacy? Remember, wealth is a side effect of value. Serve greatly, earn greatly. The world is waiting for your contribution. Now go, build.